Imagine filling out a simple form with topic and target audience and having n8n to do the research, write a professional post, design a custom graphics using OpenAI or Gemini, sending it straight to your email account. This is how you can scale your digital presence without spending hours on Canva and ChatGPT. Welcome to the day 10 of 30 days AI Automation Masterclass. In previous videos, we have mastered the textual content AI agents, but today we are going to create the visual content. We are going to create images. Okay, so let's start creating our content generator agent. So our first step is to add an trigger. So you can be creative about that. Like if you want to create any sort of dashboard on which you write the prompt or niche or something related to your post, so you can create it. For the testing purpose, I am creating an form trigger so that we input the data on the form, like write the topic, write the audience, and etc. Then create the post. We are going to click on form submission. Okay, so in this form trigger, when you enter the topic and target audience and your email, then the post is shared on your email after executing perfectly. So to create this, we have to first write the form title, which is content generation agent. Now we are going to add the form elements. So first of all, we are going to add email. Then we are going to add the topic, and in last we are going to add target audience, and then we are going to make sure that all are the required fields. Okay, so let's execute this form and see how it's working. Okay, so then we are going to write the email, and our target audience are going to be the business owners of USA, small and medium size businesses, and then we are going to click on submit. Okay, so you can see our form is successfully submit and we have received the data in output. Okay, so after that we have to add our AI agent. So click on AI agent. Okay, so here we are going to click on define below, and in the prompt we are going to add the topic. Okay, so after that we have to write our system message. System message is basically the prompt or instructions we are giving to AI agent to perform this specific task. So in this context, we are going to tell the AI agent that you are going to act as an content writer or professional content writer, and you have this specific and professional knowledge of the topic and target audience we are going to provide you, and you are then going to search on web and write content for that. Okay, so you have to search Tavily on your Google Chrome, and then you have to log in or sign in with your Google account, and then you will be held to this screen. So you have to create an plus icon and create an API key, and we are going to name it content generator, and then click on create. After that you have to click on documentations, and here you have to click on API and SDKs. So you have to click on this search, and here you have to copy this curl code. So copy this curl code, go back to your n8n AI agent, then click on import curl and then paste your code here. Okay, so after pasting your curl here, now you have to go down, and in this token you have to paste your API key. So we are back here, we have to copy this API key and then we have to paste this API key here. We have our curl here and query and search depth. Okay, so here we have to write the content on this topic, and we are going to select the topic and paste it here. And after that you have to write content should be for, then you have to paste the target audience here, and then Okay, so our HTTP request node is all set up. So place it here. Over this agent is going to create content in textual format, and our next AI agent is going to write prompt and then create image through an external API. So click on plus icon, then click on AI and then click on AI agent. Okay, so this agent will going to be write prompt and then further next create the image. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have received the input from previous AI agent's output and receives the contextual content for our post. So now we are going to set up this below. Then the prompt should be the output of our previous AI agent. Okay, so for this AI agent, our next step is to write system message so that it can create the textual prompt from this output. Okay, so after that we need to empower this AI agent also. So select on this chat model and click on this. Okay, so after that we need to execute this AI agent and test that how it works. Okay, so it executed successfully. Then okay, so you can see it has write the image generation prompt here. Okay, so for the image generation we need to connect an AI model. So you can use any sort of AI model. So to generate an AI image we need to connect an AI model. So you can connect any model like Gemini or ChatGPT or something else, but in this case we are going to connect our ChatGPT or OpenAI model to generate an image. You can also use Gemini. You have to buy credits and create an API key in your Google AI Studio, but you need to add some sort of credits. So for example, if you add $1, you can create a lot of posts from there. You can create a lot of posts because this agent or this kind of agents don't charge this much credits. So click here and then click on open AI and then select generate an image, and here the model is going to be DALL 3 and the prompt is going to be the output of our previous AI agent. Our AI agent is going to create image for us. Okay, so you can see our agent have successfully created the image. So you can view this image. Okay, so the more detailed your prompt is going to be, the more efficient output you are going to get. And if you are going to give more detailed prompt in starting phases, like in content generation in textual format, then in creating prompt for that, and after that you are going to add the best prompt in this generate an image, then you are going to get the most efficient result. Okay, so our next step is to publish this post on social media platforms. So click on this plus and you can post this on on Facebook or on Instagram or on LinkedIn, but in this case we are going to send this post through to the specific Gmail account. So we are going to search Gmail and click here, then click send a message. Here you have to connect your Gmail account. After that you have to write the email on which this post is going to be shared. So subject should be okay, so we want this output here in the message. Okay, so after getting this content in your email, you can add emojis here and remove this default slashes, or you can set it here by giving the more efficient prompt and instructing the prompt to write the content like this. And after that, to send the image we have to click on add option and then click on attachments, and then click on add attachment. Okay, so here the field name should be data. So let me execute this step and see how it works. Okay, so you can see our node is successfully executed, and let me check my Gmail. Okay, so you can see we have successfully got our content in our email. So moving back to our n8n AI agent. So this is how our content engine is going to perform. So this is all for day 10 of AI Automation Masterclass. So your day 10 tasks are to create this AI agent, test specific niches, create more prompt and system prompts from ChatGPT or Gemini, and then test these AI agents to get more effective results. Okay, so for tomorrow we are going to be in more depth of AI agents, and we are going to see how we can create AI agent that is going to generate video content for us. Keep practicing and keep building. See you tomorrow. Bye.